Let's go see what this wig looking like, man. I don't know. We gonna see. We finna walk here right here.
Huh? I like this one.
Let me see.
Do you like? It's beautiful, but it's a lot more.
Let me see.
But it's totally worth it.
What's going on, YouTube family? It's your boy Maurice Andrews, and we back with another video. If you haven't already, make sure you like and subscribe, because you know we always dropping new bangers, new videos weekly, daily, you know what I'm saying, monthly, you know what I mean? But anyway, we back today. Today we finna go to Boiling Crab today, you know what I'm saying? This is one of my baby favorite spots. So we finna go surprise her with a little dinner. You know, it's her birthday weekend, so we finna turn out real quick. You know, and we're actually finna make a few stops. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna show y'all what we got coming up.
She got a slim thick bitch. Hey, girl, it's not your face, it's your ass. Girl, it's not your ass, it's your face. Hey, your bitch in the nose, please. My girl in the courtside floor seats. Your bitch a fall to me. I'ma take my girl to Dior.
Let's go see what this wig looking like, man. I don't know. We gonna see. We finna walk here right here. Huh?
I like this one.
Let me see.
Do you like? It's beautiful, but it's a lot more.
Let me see.
But it's totally worth it.
What's a lot more?
Oh, it's so totally. So what is the price? It's on the tag. No, just with the off. With it off? Yeah. Okay, let me do this.
I think it look good. What you think? I don't know.
It's $6.90, babe.
For sure, babe. Huh? $6.90. Y'all see this? Y'all see how wigs work?
Oh. Which one would you say? I gotta wash the car.
Right. Get that one. I like that one.
$6.90 though.
I like this one.
It's $6.45. Oh, $6.45 with the discount. With the discount.
That one with this one?
Babe, this is sexy.
What? You like that one?
Yes.
You so silly. Look at that lady. Yeah. Hey, we out. What y'all think? Y'all think we should pay $6.90 for that wig? It's a wig store? Yep. You think we should go in there? Or you think we should wait out here? Huh? What y'all think? You think we should pay $6.90? It's her birthday right now, right? I think we should do it. You know, you only live once out here, so I think it's something she really wants. And when your girl really wants something, man, it's something that she gotta just, you know, you gotta suck it up and do. No matter what the cost is, man. So let me get out of here, man. Let me go get this for her, and I'm gonna tap back in with y'all in a minute. Excuse me, I can't even get it out. But yeah, we out. We'll catch y'all on the other side. Peace. What's going on, YouTube family? We are here at Boiling Crab. Well, it's like a 45-minute wait. You know, so we're gonna have to chill out here for a minute. I got my little youngster here with me. Come on, Zoe, we're gonna check out the cars real quick. But we gotta be careful. I think we got about 45 minutes before we hit Boiling Crab. So we're gonna park it over here real quick. We're gonna go see what kind of cars they got. Come on, so you don't get it. You excited to see what kind of cars they got?
No.
Yeah, I see. Look. They got them cars over there, you see? Come on, we gotta be careful though. We gotta be careful. Look, they got all type of cars over there. They got old schools. This is custom cars. Whoa, 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 Zoe, run, no, look at that. Oh, look at that. Press to reality. Look at that. Yeah, look. Look at this, y'all. So we came over here. They got like a little car show going on.
It's all good.
Hello. Hey, how you doing? Thank you. So look at all these cars. Look at that cool car. Wow.
Let's look at the blue one over there.
Which one?
That one with that blue one over there.
The blue one?
Yeah.
Okay. Look at this truck. This truck is dope. Look at this purple one. And the black one. Ooh, look at it. Look how dope that is. So, okay. You want to see this one? Oh, wow. This is a Camaro. This is an old school Camaro right here, baby girl. Look at that. I don't think we can touch, but look at that Camaro. Ooh, let's look. Let's look. Look at it. Ooh, this smells clean. All right, y'all. Like I said, we was coming here to Boiling Crab to eat, but we saw some old school cars and a little car show they got going on here. You can see the cars in the background up everywhere. They got like a Challenger here. Look at this Challenger. Ooh. Look at both of these is hard. Look at that Hemi. You can't touch, no touching. No touching. Oh wow, look at that. Look at the detail. Look at this one. Look at the rims on there. Rims is dope, huh?
Be looking for that apparel, man.
Look at that one with the green on it.
With the what? With the green? Oh yeah, you want to see this one?
Yeah.
Okay. What? This is a Volkswagen, Bobo. It's for sale too. Baja Bug, my fault, it's a bug. When I say Volkswagen, look at that. Look at the engine. You see the engine on the back? Yeah, this mug is pretty dope.
Let's go see.
Like I said, we out here. You wanna see the red one? You wanna see the red one? Okay, Zoe.
But like Volkswagen guys are like, what?
This is a Corvette, all red. And then you got the Charge. Ooh, this mug is clean.
Oh, it's under the battery?
You see it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's cool. Look at that.
And I got one of the motor.
Would you drive this? You wouldn't drive it?
You got a
Watch out. Let's watch it. Look at this one. You like this one? You like the black one? This one nice too, huh? Oh wow, look at the rims. Look at the back. All right, y'all, we out. We about to go eat. Like I said, we want to come to Boiling Crab. We got some more over here, Zoe. Look, come on. We got the truck over here. You want to see the trucks? No. Wow. Scat Pack. You like that one? This one's cool. Look at the trucks over here, Zoe. You didn't see the red truck? See way over there in the corner? You want to see that one? Yeah. These are real old school right here. Whoa. Oh, and they got a baby car. No touch, you can't touch it. You don't want to get dirty. They might get us. And they got a baby car seat. Wow. Wow. Look at that one. Whoa. And they got so much stuff on there. Look at the rims. The rims are so tight. Hey, yeah, they got so much tight. Look at the blue one. You didn't see the blue one? You didn't see the blue one? Come on, you want to go? Woo-wee. Hey, y'all, this mug so tight. This made me want to get my car game up. For real. Look at this. Look how smooth it is. Look at that, y'all. clean. You like it? Yeah? Hey, y'all. I told you they got so many cars out here. We out here just chilling. Like I said, we out here, we came to eat, but we got so many cars to look at before we go eat. Look here, look. See out, y'all. Be careful, Zoe. Whoa, look at that old school there. Whoa, you like it? Look at this truck. Look at the rims on this truck.
Let's go look at this truck.
Okay, but we gotta watch it. We gotta watch the cars. Wow, look at the engine. Whoa.
Somebody gonna get laid the fuck out.
You wanna see this truck over here, the old school truck? Okay, let's check it out. This is real old school. Real. Look at that. Wow.
Thank you guys so much for coming out.
This is super old school, man. You see that?
My daughter Ella, she's like, what is that?
Wow. This is old school. You like it? All right, y'all, we out. We want to just come in and check out these cars real quick. Yeah, I see. Look at the people in the back. Look.
No touching.
No touching. We don't want no fingerprints. But yeah, look at the people in the back. Look at that. Oh my goodness. He put a lot of work into the detail in this thing. You like it, Zoe? Yeah. Anything else you want to see before we go back? Huh? We got the which one? All right, y'all, we finna go eat. We want to come out here real quick.
Let's go this one.
Which one?
This one.
Which one? The black one? The new black one? This one? I think we've seen that one already. Come on, let's go see. Let's go check with Mom. Let's see if the food ready. We'll come back. Come on, Zoe.
Yes, be careful.
This way.
Would you just come to the car?
All right, man, we out.
Oh.
Hey, man, we in this joint. Hey, where we at? There's so many people up here. It's so alive. We made it. So far. Hey. Hey man, we out. That's pretty good. Need a whole little shebang. Like I said, we out, man. We came here just to get some food. We got a good little spot. Ooh. Here we go.
You guys look at this beautiful Somebody took their life, y'all.
Right.
They jumped off the bridge.
For real.
Off of Flamingo, right in front of the Rio.
Shut the whole shit down.
So I bet they on their face. I know that they at the crib going crazy, down bad. What they had didn't last, damn baby. Sometimes we niggas still eating. Back out and look like it. Whoa! Don't talk with him, she spilling the tea. And shawty came back and said she didn't mean it. It's hard to believe it. I know that they at the crib.
We saw that from way from our hotel room, remember? Remember our hotel room? We can see that waterfall from our hotel room. Remember that? Yeah.
Baby, I took a half and she took the whole thing and slowed down.
Hey.
We took a trip, now we on your block and it's like
Okay then.